Hello viewers, I am Kausalya. Today we are going to solve problem number 3 in exercise 12.2. The problem is figure shows an archery target marked with its 5 scoring regions from the center outwards as gold, red, blue, black and white. So there is an archery, right? I believe you people know what is archery, right? So here you see archery is nothing but it will be having a same center with many circles around, right? So you see this is how an archery looks like, right? That is, we can generally say it as a concentric circles, right? The circles will be having the same center but they will be with the different radius, right? So figure shows an archery target marked with its 5 scoring regions. So totally we have 5 scoring regions, right? And the respective colors are, you see, we are proceeding from the center outwards, right? From the center we are proceeding outwards, right? So here gold, red, blue, black and white. So at the center it is gold, then it is red, then blue, then black and white. Right. Now, the diameter of the region representing the gold score is 21 centimeters. So, here the diameter of the gold is given, which is 21 centimeters. And each of the other bands is 10.5 centimeters. And the remaining bands, that is red band, blue band, black and white, right, is 10.5 wide. So, what is meant by 10.5 centimeter wide? That is, they are only this length is given, okay? This wide is 10.5. Similarly, next this wide is also again it is 10.5 and similarly here also it is 10.5 and it goes on, right? Find the area of each of the 5 scoring regions. So here we have to find the area, right? So as a first step you see, so to find the area we should know the diameter. Right. So, from the diameter we have to find the radius. So, initially we start with the diameter of the gold which is directly given. Right. Diameter is 21 centimeter. So, radius is diameter divided by 2. So, 21 by 2 which gives 10.5 centimeters. Right. This is the radius of the golden region. And the next thing is we have to find the radius of this red part, right? So how to find the radius here? We know the radius of this golden region, right? As well as we know the width here. That is, this is also a width, right? So radius of the red will be starting from here and it extends up to this, right? So the radius of the golden region I already know, and the width is given as, that is the wide part is given as 10.5 wide. Right, so this is your 10.5. So when you add these two, we can get the radius of the red. Say yes or no. Right. So here, the radius of the red is given as, radius of the golden region is 10.5 plus this 10.5 wide. So 10.5 plus 10.5 gives you 21 centimeters. Right. Now the next thing is we have to find the radius of the blue region. So again the same process, right? So here I know the radius of the golden region and here it is 10.5 centimeter wide and again this is also 10.5 centimeter wide. So just you have to simply add up, right? Or in other words, here what we have done is we know the radius of the red part, right? So to the radius of the red part, when you add this 10.5 centimeter wide, then we can get the radius of this blue region. So here this is the thing what is done, right? So radius of the red part is 21, right? Till this, that is from the center to this part, this is 21 and to this we have to add 10.5. So 21 plus 10.5 gives you 31.5 centimeter. And similarly, how to find the radius of the black? That is, it starts from here and it extends up to this. We know the radius of this part, that is, we know the radius up to this. So again, just add 10.5 to it. So 31.5 plus 10.5 gives you 42. And similarly, the radius of the white is 42 plus 10.5 which gives 52.5 centimeter. Right. So here we have calculated the radius of these 5 different regions. Now we are going to find the area of each and every part. So the first step is area of the circle is pi r square, right? So area of the gold region is, here we are taking the radius as r1, right? So pi r1 square. What is the value of pi here? 3.14 into the radius is 10.5. You see, we have calculated. So 3.14 into 10.5 into 10.5, right? So here when you multiply, we are ending up with the answer as 110.25, and again you have to multiply with 3.14, and so here the answer is 346.5 centimeter square, right? So in this case, I have taken the value of pi as 3.14. Here you see, in this part I had taken the value of pi as 22/7, right? And again the value of radius, you see here, the value of radius is 21/2. Once if I solve this 21/2, I am getting 10.5. So here I have taken the radius value as 21/2. So here you see pi is 22/7 into the value of r1 is 21/2. So r1 square, right? So 21/2 into 21/2, right? So here in this case you see 2 and 22 get cancels, here 11, and again 7 3s are 21, right? So 1 7 is 7 here, and 3 7s are 21. So just when you multiply, 11 3s are 33 into 21 divided by 2. So when you multiply, here we are getting 693/2, and once you divide, here we are getting the same answer, 346.5 centimeter square, right? Here again the procedure is, it is up to you. If you feel comfortable in just multiplying like this, you can go by this, or you can use this method, okay? The value of pi you can just substitute 22/7, and even the radius also you can take it as 21/2. Now area of the red region. So here pi r2 square, right? Let the radius of the red region be r2. So just substitute the values. The value of pi is 22/7, and what about the value of r2? You see, radius of the red region is 21 centimeter. So just substitute the value of r as 21, right? So again 7 and 21 get cancelled. So here we will be having 22 into 3 into 21. So 22 into 3 is 66. So 66 into 21 gives you 1386, right? Therefore here the area of the red region is 1386 centimeter square, right? Similarly, the area of blue region. So here the formula is pi r3 square. So the value of pi is 22/7 into r3. So the value of r3 is, that is radius of the blue region is given by 31.5. So just substitute it here, 31.5 into 31.5, and we can cancel this 31.5/7, right? So 7 4s are 28. So the balance will be 3, right? 28, 29, 30, 31. So 35. So 7 5s are 35. So again we have to multiply, and we have to find the value of the area, right? Here I have done the multiplication. So the answer is 3118.50 centimeter square. And the next thing is, we have to find the area of the black region. So here area of the black region is given by pi r4 square, and the radius of the black region is 42, right? So just substitute, and again 7 and 42 will cancel, right, by 6 times. So 6 into 42 is nothing but 252. Again you have to multiply, and the area of the black region is 5544 centimeter square, right? And finally the area of the white region. So here again the radius is 52.5. So again we can cancel this 52.5/7, right? 7 7s are 49. So the balance is 3, and again 7 5s are 35, right? So just you have to multiply, and here we are ending up with the answer as 8662.5 centimeter square, right? So here the key thing to be noted is, you should be very clear in calculating the radius of each and every circle. Right, once the radius is calculated, then the formula is same. To find the area, it is pi r square. So just substitute the radius and find the areas accordingly. Right, that's all. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.